She Radiant Red series, a palette of vibrant red and coppery shades, because no one colors like she. Bold, fierce, and utterly individualistic, some of the most iconic natural redheads include Deborah Messing, Sophie Turner, and even Nicole Kidman. The red color trend truly kicked off when the likes of Kim Kardashian, Dua Lipa, Kylie Jenner, and even Ricky Martin tried the color for themselves, sending red hair color sales skyrocketing. But this shade is hard to maintain when it comes to color. So along comes She hair extensions with right out of the box statement-making reds. In our Natural series, we've added 4 new trending red shades to our collection: 72, 73, 74, and 112. For available lengths and textures, speak with a distributor rep in your area. Unlimited artistry, the widest array of lengths, textures, and color effects. No one colors like she.